Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourself productive. So feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Catia sketch-based features like pad, pocket, and groove. We can go to start, mechanical design, part design, select pad, then select profile surface area, sketch, select YZ plane, select sketch, length is 300 mm, angle is 0 degree, make it horizontal, select dimension, enter a dimension of 39 mm, go for offset option from operation toolbar, select object, enter a offset of 39 mm. Chalo. After then enter value of 39 mm offset, again an offset of 25 mm, and again drawing a circle of 80 mm, radius, again a circle of 105 mm radius, then go for operation toolbar, select quick trim option, exit from sketcher workbench, okay, then select an plane from XY plane, height is 150 mm from XY plane, from default plane, Then select pocket option from sketch base feature. Then select sketch, select plane, select fit all in option, select circle and radius of 75 mm. Radius of 25 mm. Again radius of 25 mm. Then enter a dimension value of 250 mm. Then select tangent by tangent line option. Again select, double click on then go to exit sketch array, select option up to max, then reverse side, then again select pad option, select profile, select sketcher, select face, select fit all in option, select sketch circle on radius 75 mm radius, up to next option, okay. Then select groove option from sketch base feature, select profile surface plane, select YZ plane, sketch is sketch O, length is 37 mm, width is 25 mm, again with 25 mm, then select a sketch, enter dimension here, .5 mm, enter a distance of 20 mm, 25 mm, then select line, go to standard dialog box, constraint dialog box, coincidence, then exit sketcher workbench, then select a illusion axis, preview, okay. Then go to again pocket option, select face option, sketch, select face option, and putting a diameter of 20 mm radius, Same as it is 20 radius here. I'm going to put here 30 radius, 30 dia. Select these 2 point option here. Make horizontal. Coincidence. Entry distance between those two is 250 Then select through all option up to next. Congratulations, you have completed a pad with a pocket and a groove option in Catia sketch base feature. Thank you.